Welcome to Interview Talks.
Hello guys, today I am discuss job in Ecolite Digital. 2020-21 graduate freshers from any branch are eligible this drive. In this video, I am discuss how to fill application form and job description. Before go to discuss, if anyone still not to apply off-campus jobs, I am provide those registration links in description. If you are preparing for interviews in top companies, check interview video links in description. For more updates about off-campus jobs and interviews, subscribe our channel. Let's start the discussion. As a software developer, you will be the train behind crafting, developing, testing, going live, and maintenance the system. You are passionate in understanding the business context for features built to drive better customer experience and adoption. The company will assign students to these roles. Responsibilities: familiar with the software development lifecycle (SDLC) from analysis to deployment. Comply with coding standards and technical design. Believers in systematic approach to developing the system through clear documentation, flowcharts, layouts, etc. Adopt structured coding styles for easy review, testing, and maintainability of the code. Ensure unit and integration level verification plan are in the place and adheres to great quality of code at all times. Active participation in troubleshooting, debugging, and updating current live system. Verify user feedback in making system more stable and easier. Work closely with analysts, designers, and code peer developers. These are the responsibilities will assign company to students. Eligible criteria: BTech, BE, MCA, only 2021 batch. 10th, 12th or diploma, UG, PG, minimum 60%. So 60% in entire academics. No gap in education. Full-time UGC recognized education in 10th, 12th, diploma, graduation and post-graduation. Distance learning or part-time degrees will not be considered. Note: check your email IDs for spelling spaces issue. Incorrect email IDs will not get any communication. So you should enter your correct email ID. Let's start the discussion how to fill application. So you should choose Mr., Miss or others. You should enter your first name, last name as mentioned in your government IDs, email ID, and enter your correct mobile number. Date of birth: do you have a PAN card? If choose yes, otherwise no. Do you have an Aadhaar card? If choose yes. Enter your university registration number, institute name, institute city, institution state, course name BE, BTech, MTech, MCA. All are eligible this drive. Course specialization: computer science, information technology are related, electronics and communication, mechanical. All branches are eligible this drive. Year of passing: 2021-2020. Preferred coding languages: if you are good in any of these coding languages, you should mention either Java, C, C++ or Python. Overall CGPA in graduation. Do you have any current job offers in hand? You must choose no, otherwise your application is not shortlisted. If yes, what is your current offer in hand? How soon you can join us? You can join immediately, you can choose immediately. Otherwise, you can choose one option based on your availability. Do you have a degree certificate, provisional degree certificate? Then choose yes. Preferred work location: you can choose one of the location based on your wish. Gurugram, Hyderabad, Bangalore. After fill all details, you should attach your resume here. Later, you should click on submit. You are notified by company will soon. For more updates about off-campus jobs and interviews, subscribe our channel. Thank you.